Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Eggs. I'm Paul, this is Tanya from Elite Pilates Services and Teacher Training. Or is it Elite Pilates and Teacher Training Services?
Elite Pilates, I had to think about that. Elite Pilates Services and Teacher Training.
And Teacher Training, would you believe? So, welcome to the series on Cooking Eggs. There's more than one way of doing the movements. Don't be stuck in dogma and only ever do them one way. There's at least an experimental try. You might try it and think, what a load of tosh. But at least you've tried it. Another way of doing spine curls, as the example that we're using on this playlist, is to do it on the roller. Now when you don't do it on the roller, there's not as much mobility going on, so it should theoretically be, in some respects, less challenging. Would you not agree or would you disagree?
It's just the balance that's
It's the balance, yeah, because you're on the roller, the whole idea of being on the roller is to be a little bit off balance, to be a little bit, so I'm not sure about this, Ginger.
Feedback.
Yeah, tiny kids on the stroke, I apologise for that. It does give you better feedback than being on the mat. So, and that's it, there's just that simple adaptation. So from there you control your legs, make sure your feet are on your hips solid distance apart. It's the same basically, other than you're on the roller. So you haven't got as high, because you're already up about 4 or 6 inches, there's arguments over that, you're not raising up as much. So some people with lack of mobility might, from the spinal point of view, might be a good one to do this. So it's just an alteration, it's just something slightly different to do. But again, because you are working on the balance as well. You want to say there's a stage further, there's loads of other variations you can do. I personally don't like to do it on the mat. I like to do it on the floor. Now, when it's on the mat, it's basically like, it's been comforted, if you like, it's been squished, so the roller's not as dodgy. So on the floor, it's a little bit more challenging. There's loads of other things you can add into it. You can have your arms up like that and do the spine curl. You have your eyes closed. You can do all sorts of variations with. Let's do one. So spine curl up.
What's the arms up with?
Well, there's another variation. Spine curl up, keep the arms down. Raise the arms up towards the ceiling. Watch what happens to the body. Take your arms over as low down as anatomically pain-free they will go. And now lay the spine back down. Make sure your lower back comes down before the bum. Now, all of this you can do on the floor as well, by the way. Once you say, can you see that butt wink? That's what I was on about with the butt wink in the video. And lower down. Another one you can do is raise your arms up first in the air. So you're not using your arms to assist you, and then wheel your spine up. And you do all sorts of variations with your arms, whatever the hell you want to do. You can out to the side with bands and weights. There's loads you can do. Just a simple, all around, centering around this simple spine curl. I think I've waffled on enough. Lower the spine, now stop showing off. You missed an armpit there, it's all hairy. Bye!
He's lying.
Say bye!
Bye.
She is, he's dead hairy.
It's not.